Yo, what's up? Your homie Trump here. Hey, I'm gonna tell you how to slaughter the emissions test, kind of like how Joe Biden's slaughtering our economy. This is how you slaughter the emissions test, kind of like how Joe Biden's slaughtering the economy. Throwing any of these codes, then it's only good for passing the emissions. This is the stuff. Yeah, you see it? No, they're not sponsoring me, but this is the stuff. This is what you want to use. You're pulling any of these codes, it should work on almost all your cars. And then you'll slaughter the emissions test, just like how Joe Biden is slaughtering America, the economy, and our border. You'll slaughter it just as bad at the emissions. You're welcome. Hey, vote Trump 2024. Don't forget, because Trump told you how to slaughter the emissions test. So vote for me 2024. Don't forget to go vote. Thanks. Bye. Thanks for watching. And if you want to slaughter your emissions test, use this. And don't forget, Trump told you. And it does work. Like, subscribe, and share it too. And hit thumbs up. So hopefully YouTube will start paying me before 2024. And go vote Trump 2024. And use this to pass your emissions test. Thanks for watching. Peace.